In the heart of a vibrant jungle, where the leaves were as green as emeralds, lived a chameleon named Chroma. While the other animals scurried and hurried to finish their chores, Chroma found the highest, warmest branch. He stretched out his long body and closed his eyes, soaking up every bit of the golden sun. High above the forest floor, a small and energetic gecko named Micah was busy. Micah dashed from leaf to leaf, carrying heavy seeds and dried berries. He was preparing for the time when the air would turn cold and the food would vanish. Micah paused his work and looked over at his friend. "The breeze is turning sharp, Chroma," Micah called out. "You should start gathering snacks now. If you don't work today, you will have nothing to eat when the frost arrives." Chroma just let out a long, slow yawn. His tongue flickered out to catch a passing gnat, but he didn't move an inch. "Why work today when the sun is so bright and warm?" he asked. "There is plenty of time for chores tomorrow." He drifted back to sleep. But tomorrow came with a cold surprise. One morning, Chroma woke up to find the jungle had changed. The bright flowers had closed their petals, and a biting wind swept through the trees. The sun was hidden behind heavy, gray clouds, and the warm branch felt like ice. Chroma was very hungry. He looked under the leaves for his favorite juicy flies, but they had all flown away. He looked for sweet nectar, but the blossoms were frozen shut. His tummy let out a loud, hollow rumble that echoed through the quiet woods. With a heavy heart and a very empty stomach, Chroma walked slowly toward the hollow tree where Micah lived. Inside, the air smelled like sweet dried fruit and earthy seeds. Micah was busy organizing his pantry, making sure everything was neat and tidy. Chroma stood at the entrance, feeling very small. "Micah," he whispered, his skin turning a dusty shade of gray. "I didn't listen to you. I have no food and the jungle is so cold. Could you please share just one berry with me?" Micah was a kind friend and handed Chroma a piece of dried fruit. "I will help you today," Micah said. "But the sun doesn't wait for anyone, Chroma. It shines for everyone, but it only fills the bellies of those who are willing to work." Chroma nodded, finally understanding. When the first buds of spring finally appeared, Chroma didn't look for a sleeping branch. Instead, he was the busiest chameleon in the jungle. He worked every day to gather food, learning that the sun felt even better after a long day of hard work. After all, hard work brings success,